Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, here to tell you about our December issue, available online now. When we were putting together this issue, one of the major takeaways I had was the importance of the ability to evolve to the success of the baking industry. You can read about this in my feature on Jimmy Bar and how the company pivoted early on to change the type of bar it was offering consumers to better meet consumers' demands when it came to the type of nutrition bar that they were looking for. The company credits its success in recent years to this early on change. You can also read about it in my feature on our Operations Executive of the Year, Mike Porter of New Horizons Baking Company. Mike and the CEO, Trina Bediaco, have started to experiment with their approach to workforce in order to better recruit and retain employees. So whether you're just trying to meet consumer demand with new products or trying to address some of the biggest challenges the industry is facing, the ability to evolve is critical to the baking industry's future. You can read all about this and more in our December issue, available online now.